I know you were doing the decisions about me and myself. Ew! Yeah! That was so funny. Good morning, ladies!
What do you think we're doing? Working? Just working. You guys have been chit-chatting all day. My God!
Boss, our new employer just arrived earlier and here is her information for you to check.
Alright. Thank you so much, Annalyn. May we leave? Annalyn, can you make me a cup of coffee?
Yes, boss.
Okay. Everyone, listen. I have a very, very important announcement today. Miss Geraldine, can you come here, please?
Hi everyone, I'm Johnny Lozano. I work as a team leader in a special company. I'd like to be here and please.
Congratulations and welcome to the family.
Thank you.
Environment. So go back to work. Yeah, let's all be productive.
Here is the sales report for the last month of October.
The report for the month of November then.
I think Miss Jennifer Adlawan is the in charge of that.
Miss Adlawan.
Ma'am.
Where's my assignment?
I was supposed to finish it right now.
I already gave it to you since last month. Yet you're still not done? We need to have an urgent meeting after this.
Yes.
So, good afternoon, everyone. I call you over here today to discuss our that? How about you, Jennifer?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I think I'm this time, yes. I have a lot of work to do. I'm sorry.
How about Fel?
Sorry, ma'am. I have a lot of work to do.
Heidi?
Same also, ma'am. Sorry.
Geraldine? Why is it all of you are...
Excuse me, ma'am. How about we launch a new product?
Example for that, Miss Yosa?
Everyone loves this product. So how can we assure that that product address our issue? As you can see, the Gen Z generation, they love lipstick. They don't want to company that have enough money for that new product.
Anyways, every one of you here have your own ideas, suggestions. Oh, I love the suggestion. Miss, because I don't have something else. How about you? Do you have any ideas to suggest? Let's make me a business proposal. Submit it tomorrow. Is that clear?
Tomorrow, ma'am? Are you
Tomorrow. Miss Adlawan, you hear me, right?
We can make it, ma'am.
Then that's good. Dismiss.
The feeling of
members are here. Where are the others?
I would like to present to you our newest and very affordable lifting, in which it is very relevant to the community.
Oh, really? How about the others? Miss Osorio?
I really apologize, boss, for I haven't finished it yet.
What do you mean?
Me too, boss.
For either, this is relevant.
What are you? Kids? What do you think will happen if you keep on doing that behavior of yours? Is it only Jennifer who did as I did yesterday? Oh. How about Miss Galsano?
Yes, boss?
Oh, well, I have decided that representation, well, honestly, both of you has your own ideas, opinions, and a very good insight. For Miss Jennifer, your insights are good. However, maybe your target audience are just like limited to the teenagers, right? Girl, then, I am very impressed. And congratulations, Ms. Gosano, for the job well done. Thank you.
I really hate that girl, Sam. She's so funny that she came here in a company. Our boss gets called it us. I really don't like her. We seem alright before. Without
Boss Sinlai has this favoritism. So annoying.
Come again, Mrs. Osorio? Do you have a problem with me? Well, discuss it with me in my office right now. Tell me, what's the matter?
to be honest, always next week. And without us, we feel in the money.
We're also trying our best, people, to make it on time.
Is that really an issue?
Oh, really? They didn't need to give the attention to the boss.
Hey, you didn't need to feel jealous about your instead. You should be grateful for her.
Oh, I'm very sorry, Mr. Wilson. I'm very sorry.
Hi!
Hi, boss.
I have a really great news for you. Did you know that sale has increased? Not just that, product has reached internationally. Congratulations, guys! I am so proud of you. You guys will receive more salary plus your bonuses.